So, good evening, madam. Ma'am. So, I made the Arduino and slave configuration. I just tried to make that. I was referring the circuit diagram here. I referred this circuit diagram from this paper and I just made the connections from here. And this is my slave boom and this is my master node. And I used LED to make the indication between the configuration between the two things. And for the 80 comments I used this one for the 80 comments and the setting, and this was the 80 comment one where I used to send the comment like 80 things, and the one, these are all were my okay that symbols. And then I made the configuration for masters and the slaves separately, like this one. This one is for my master program, like for LED and the buzzer button, and this is how I coded for that. And same similar to this, I made it for a slave too. Here it is. And this is my slave. This is my slave comment. So how it works and or how I used to do this one, how I started to do this one is like initially I made the connections from power control to the VCC part, power control to the VCC, which is 3.3 volt, and from here ground to ground, and transmitter to receiver, receiver to transmitter connection. So while running the 80 mode, I just plugged out the receiver and the transmitter, and after that I just made a connection again. Then I run the serial port, and this is what the serial port is, and this is my serial port and the commands. And so the ultimate result was, if the configuration is connected properly, I used to get this blinking of red light in every 2-second interval. And I use the sensor for the resistance for the LED, and same here it's a 220 ohm sensor, resistor. And still now I try to make the configuration between the master and slave, and individually I'm able to get the code for, I was able to get the code for master and slave individually. I need to do the configuration. I need to connect the sensors, and these two are my sensors. One is loudness sensor and another one is rotary sensor. This is how I have done still now, ma'am. Thank you.